Building construction classification. The construction activities in the field of architecture and civil engineering are divided into 7 groups: demolition and geotechnics, concrete, steel, masonry, insulation, openings, and finishing. The concrete specifications are divided into 5 sections: concrete materials and mixed design, concrete properties, concrete execution specifications, rebar execution specifications, special concretes. Concrete constituents include cement, aggregate, water, and admixtures. Building construction principles. Protecting fibers from moisture. Packages containing fibers should be kept away from moisture. Steel fibers will rust if exposed to moisture. Non-steel fibers, e.g. polymer, glass, may clump and not disperse well in concrete if wet. Protecting polymer fibers from sunlight. Polymer fibers should be kept away from direct sunlight. Polymer materials are sensitive to ultraviolet, UV, radiation and may undergo adverse physical and chemical changes. Reference.